Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I got another radio from Jeff's collection. This is a Nippon Electric Company AM/FM radio, model NTF-901. It's 9 transistor. It's about a 1962 vintage. Very unusual and very heavy. Even before I put the batteries in, it takes 4 AA batteries. It was heavy, or is heavy. There's the dial right there. Up here we have on-off volume, tuning, telescopic, one of those antennas that goes up and down. This is the switch to switch between AM and FM. There was a carrying strap that went between these two things right here, but it's gone. There's the earphone jack. And then on the bottom, we have 2 additional jacks. And one is for using an external battery, and the other one is for a speaker. Yeah, instead of earphones. Pretty cool. There's the back of it. It's in mint condition. And he got this in a box full of junk radios. He had it fully repaired. Let me show you. Let me get the back off it here. I can turn the thing a little. Oh boy, my hands don't work very well anymore. I'll put my screwdriver away too soon. Okay, we're getting it. Hold on. Stand by. We're getting it. There it comes. Okay. So there, I got the screw out. And we can take the back off. And we can take the back off. There we go. There's some information on the back. Inside. And here is all of the electronics. And you can see there are extra wires added. I guess that was part of the repair process, maybe. Or maybe some improvements. He had this done over by Brian Kane at South Abound, and completely redid it. Normally, Jeff has all his radios completely revamped. Okay, let's see what it sounds like. We'll turn it on here. And we are on FM, so we'll extend this antenna, which is about 30 inches. Oh, let me put the back on. That would probably be a safe thing to do. That would be a safe thing to do. Stand by while I put the cover back on. Whoops. Get these things out of the way. It snaps back on. Where's the little screw? We certainly don't want to break his radio. Okay, there we go. That's pretty secure. Now, turn the volume back on.
From the Service Mines host.
It's FM. Yeah, music.
Breathe. Use is directed. I can't believe how spotless my floors look after using the Swiffer Power Mop. No more dragging around a heavy mop and messy bucket. Now I get to sound deep clean without.
Little distortion there. Gotta stay away from that music. Whoa. Okay, let's go to.
For being so special, the music of your life.
That is AM, bottom dial. Whoop, whoop. Lots of music. It's in the afternoon. There we go.
Well, if he said that in the job interview, that's why he got the job. Right. That's for sure. Right. But, you know, I think on the flip side,
Plenty of volume.
you know, Pete Carroll's been such a great, you know, he's like a player whisperer, right? I mean, I believe that he was responsible for a lot of Russell Wilson's success by just speaking good things and
like most radios in this vintage, the audio is a little tinny. That's kind of typical of radios in this vintage. But recently, radios with tiny speakers, the audio is fantastic. They've really improved the speakers for these radios nowadays. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me this radio. Hey, Jeff, this is the last of the group, so you can come visit me and bring me another group. Ha, ha, ha. Yeah, I'm all caught up on Jeff's radios. I have about a half a dozen other things I have yet to review, and then I will actually be caught up. First time this year. Oh, well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.